Ever wonder why the color palettes comes in the multiple of 10 colors? Some are light color, some are the dark color. The dark color we called it as shade, where the light color we called this as a tint. And the simple reason is it gives your design a hierarchy as well as the depth when you try to designing a theme or whatever the application you are creating. So in Figma right now, we will use the grayscale as well as the overlay to create our custom color palette. Let's take this one as an example. Whenever we run a plugin in Figma, it helps us to give the color palette. But whenever you want to create your customized color palette, especially when you want to create your customized tint or customized shade, or the extended tint or the shade, at that time, this one of the method would be might be useful. So the way I do this thing is, this is a gray color that you see on the screen right now. It's a normal gray color palette. So if I click any one of the color and go to this area, you can see here it doesn't have hue and saturation, and all it has is a plain color which you see here. And it has some stops between this 10, 20, 30, and so on. You can see on the right hand side of the screen. Now, whatever the color that you want to select, let's say, for example, our primary color is, for example, this one. So I will take this color, put it in a frame or a rectangle, whatever it is fine. So go on the right hand side and change it, this one to overlay. And this is where the effect is. So when I change it to overlay and just put it on the top, and your grayscale just converted to a customized palette that you want in your design. The beauty about this thing is if I change the hue, you will see the shade of the color start flowing in a very harmony way. You can even extend this functionality to create a branded color. So how you can do that is, so here it is, and this is our normal gray which you see right now. I want to have a branded gray in that case. First of all, you need to select the color. In our case, this is the hex code that we are using. So I will click, open that hex code, go to the HSB and copy the hue, which is 218. The same hue has been used across this all the 12 colors which I have selected. So here you can see the 12 colors are selected, and all the color, if I select individual color and show it to you, so it has 218 here as a hue. In every color, nothing changed. What keeps on changing is the saturation, which gives the feel of making the gray as a branded. And because I have 12 colors in my palette, I have divided the saturation very uniformly by the multiple of 4. So this starts with the 48, then it goes to 4, 44. The third one goes to 40 until I reach to the number which is 2184, and I create a branded gray as you see on the example. Hope you have enjoyed the video.